Hello everyone. I've been looking over the comments section and found some interesting questions which have been asked many times by different viewers. So I thought I'd make a few videos to answer those questions. Recently, I posted a series about overhauling our generator engines. Some viewers mentioned in the comments that they were surprised that this job was done by the crew while the ship was at sea. And some even followed up if we hired specialist technicians to do the job. As most of you may know, the ship has engineers as part of the crew. They are called marine engineers, and their primary responsibility is the safe and efficient operation of all machinery on board. They are not the usual type of engineers that everyone is familiar with, engineers who are involved in the design of machinery, but rather in the application and operation. Simply put, they are not highly specialized in a single field of engineering, as they need to have knowledge in mechanical, electrical, steam, automation, refrigeration, and even a little bit of chemistry. Nor are they specialists in a specific machinery with respect to brand, type, or design. They are basically generalists, for lack of a better word. Their duties include the operation, management, maintenance, troubleshooting, and repair of the machinery on board a ship, which is practically a small power plant. So we could fairly say that their field of expertise is making the ship run and keeping it that way. Now, the fun part is crew assignment usually rotates between the different ships of the company's fleet. Meaning, for each contract, it is highly likely that they get assigned to a different ship each time. Now, add to the fact that different ships are equipped with different machinery that comes from different brands, have different types, designs, or systems. Oftentimes, marine engineers, especially the least experienced ones, are sent to a ship equipped with machinery made by a brand or has a specific design that they have never worked on before. But since they were trained in the, shall we say, vanilla version of the machinery, given their theoretical knowledge on the basic working principles, it's up to them to figure out how things work, and they should figure it out as soon as possible. Instruction manuals are available on board, and the more important spare parts are usually kept in stock. Now, in case there will be a scheduled major overhaul wherein a lot of spare parts will be needed, those have to be ordered in advance. The engine room also has its own workshop with a lathe machine, electric arc and gas welding equipment, and a variety of tools. So marine engineers can fix pretty much every machinery on board as long as they are provided the necessary materials to do so. However, there are exceptions. Machinery and equipment that have a lot of electronics, computerized control systems like PLCs and software, and highly specialized and sensitive equipment like the gyro, GPS, that's a bit beyond our scope. Unless, of course, the ship carries a spare PLC or circuit board, then it would be manageable. Usually, those are the jobs that we leave for the manufacturer's technicians and specialists. And usually, there are manual redundancies in case those automatic systems fail, so the ship can still function and safely reach port. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Once again, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.